Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will discuss about the what is cyber security networking basis. In the previous lecture we will discuss about what is cyber security, its definition, its features, and today we will discuss about what is cyber security networking basis, protocols and networking. It is essential for cyber security professional to have a solid understanding of how the computer communicate. There is a much more happening behind the sense of computer network that can what be observed when using application. The OSI model. The OSI model represent an easy and interactive way to standardize the different parts required to communicate across the network. The model make it clear what is required to communicate on network by splitting the requirement into the multiple layers. This is what OSI model look like. 7. Application layer. What it does? Where human process data and information. 6. Presentation. Ensure that it is a usable format. Session capable for maintaining the connection. Transport layer. Data is forwarded to service capable for handling requests. Network layer responsible for which path packet should travel on the network. Data link layer responsible for which physical devices packet should go to. The physical infrastructure to transport. The top three layers typically implement in layer 7, where it implements software. Presentation is software, session is software, and other is network layer is a hardware implementation. Data link layer is also hardware implemented. Physical layer is hardware implemented. Then discuss about further application layer. The business logic and functionalities of the application lies here. This is what the user use to interact with service across network. Most developers create application on the application layers. Presentation layer, typically an unseen layer, but it is responsible for adopting, transferring and translating data. This is to ensure the application and layers benefit can understand on other. Encoding schema used to represent text and data, for example ASI standard. Layer. Session layer. This layer is responsible is handling connection between the application and the layer below its involve establish, maintaining and terminating connection, otherwise referred to as session. 4. Transport layer. The layer which is allow application to be represent on the network. Some well known application on this is TCP, UDP, QoS. Third is network layer. A network layer of routing packet between the network via router. On this layer IP, ICP or IPS net protocols are used. Next is link layer. Link network, as name implies, consists of protocol designed to send package through actual link that network nodes are connecting to. Then last is physical layer. Physical layer represent the signaling which allows to bit and bytes to transfer between physical medium. It can be transferred via radio or signal over a cable using electronic signals or light, for example fiber. Example of physical layer is CAN bus, Ethernet physical, Bluetooth physical layer. Hope you understand well. Thank you so much.